Want to hide a messy room or give your Microsoft Teams video a cleaner look? In this guide, I'll show you how to change your background, use built-in effects, upload your own image, and switch back to your normal background. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and enter the pre-join screen for a meeting. Make sure your camera is turned on, then look for the option to apply background effects or video effects. Select the background effects option to open the available choices. Teams gives you different backgrounds and visual effects, depending on your account and version. Choose one you like, then check the preview. If you don't want to use an image, you can choose a blur effect instead. This keeps you visible while making the area behind you less distracting. It's a simple option when you want a more professional look. To use your own image, look for the option to add or upload a new background. Select your image file, then choose it from the available background options. A simple landscape, office, or branded image can work really well, already in a meeting. You can usually open the More Actions menu and find the option for video effects or background settings. Choose a new background, preview it, and apply the change. If you want to return to your normal camera view, open the background settings again and choose the option to use no background effect. Your original camera background will then be restored. If the background option isn't available, first make sure your camera is turned on. Also check whether your team's version, device, or organization settings limit certain video effects. And yeah, keeping Teams updated can help with missing features. And that's how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. You can use a built-in image, blur your surroundings, upload your own background, or remove the effect completely. So pick a background that fits your meeting and you're ready to go.